Understanding CRM applications. CRMs for Customer Relationship Management. It is a system or software used by businesses to manage and analyze customer interactions throughout the customer lifecycle, with the goal of improving customer relationships, retaining customers, and driving sales growth. A CRM application serves as a central hub where all customer related data is stored, tracked, and analyzed, helping companies better understand their customers and tailor their interactions to meet individual needs. The core functions of a CRM application. 1. Contact management. At the heart of any CRM system is the ability to manage and organize customer information. This includes storing details like names, addresses, phone numbers, and communication history. A CRM keeps all this data in one place, making it easy for businesses to access and update information as needed. For instance, if a customer calls with a question, the service representative can quickly look up the customer's history and provide personalized assistance. 2. Sales management. CRM applications streamline the sales process by tracking leads, opportunities, and sales activities. They help sales teams manage their pipelines more effectively by organizing prospects, assigning follow up tasks, and forecasting sales. For example, a sales manager can see which deals are in progress, who is working on them, and what stage they are at, enabling better resource allocation and prioritization. 3. Customer support and service. A CRM system often includes tools for managing customer service inquiries, support tickets, and complaints. This ensures that customer issues are resolved efficiently and tracked until completion. For instance, if a customer submits a support ticket, the CRM can track the issue from the initial contact through resolution, helping companies ensure timely and satisfactory service. 4. Marketing automation. CRM applications can also integrate with marketing tools to automate and manage marketing campaigns. This includes sending personalized emails, tracking customer responses, and analyzing the effectiveness of campaigns. For example, a company might use CRM data to segment its customers based on their purchasing history and send targeted marketing emails to specific groups, increasing the chances of conversion. How to 5. Reporting and analytics. One of the most powerful aspects of a CRM is its ability to generate detailed reports and insights. Companies can analyze data on customer behavior, sales trends, and service performance, helping them make informed decisions. For example, a business could use CRM analytics to identify which products are most popular among certain customer segments and adjust their marketing strategies accordingly. Real-life use cases and examples. Retail industry. Imagine a clothing retailer using a CRM to manage customer data. The CRM records every purchase made by each customer, along with preferences such as size, color, and style. When the retailer launches a new collection, they can use the CRM to send personalized emails to customers who have previously bought similar items, boosting the chances of repeat sales. Real estate. In real estate, a CRM helps agents manage leads and track communications with potential buyers and sellers. It can remind agents to follow up with clients, track the progress of deals, and store all necessary documents. For instance, a real estate agent might use CRM software to monitor all interactions with a home buyer, from the initial inquiry to the final closing, ensuring a smooth transaction process. Healthcare. In healthcare, CRM applications help manage patient interactions, appointment scheduling, and treatment history. Hospitals and clinics use CRM systems to ensure that patient care is consistent and well organized. For example, a clinic might use a CRM to track a patient's medical history, reminders for follow-up appointments, and communication with doctors, enhancing the overall patient experience. Benefits of using a CRM application. Improved customer relationships. By keeping all customer information in one place, businesses can provide more personalized and effective service, which enhances customer satisfaction and loyalty. Increased efficiency. Automating routine tasks like follow-ups, reminders, and reporting saves time and reduces the likelihood of errors, allowing employees to focus on more important tasks. Better data management. A CRM system ensures that customer data is organized, easily accessible, and up to date, which is crucial for making informed business decisions. Enhanced collaboration. Since CRM data is accessible to everyone in the organization, different departments can collaborate more effectively. For example, the marketing team can coordinate with sales to create campaigns based on sales pipeline data. Scalability. As a business grows, so does its customer base. A CRM system can easily scale with the business, handling increasing amounts of data and more complex processes without losing efficiency. Conclusion. A CRM application is much more than just a tool for managing contacts. It's a comprehensive system that integrates various aspects of customer interaction, sales, marketing, and support. By using a CRM, businesses can enhance their relationships with customers, streamline their operations, and ultimately drive growth. Whether you're in retail, real estate, healthcare, or any other industry, a CRM can provide the tools and insights needed to stay competitive and responsive to customer needs.